So first of all, you need to go to the sales channels and CRM forms and generate a CRM form that will generate a lead. You then get the code, copy the code and embed it onto your website. Now I have a predefined one here, and what you'll see is that we have some UTM parameters in the URL of our website. Now, if a customer clicks on send on your CRM form, that will then generate a new lead within the system. And what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to see the automatic population of the different UTM parameters within the lead itself. Again, we can then report on this data and see how successful a particular campaign is. Please get in touch for a full demonstration, or to find out more about this and other solutions, please go to intraface.com/solutions.